everyone. I just did a quick video earlier and I posted it to my YouTube, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to do a quick little demonstration of how to use the outdoor tools and the fibers that I described earlier, but I'm not going to be talking too much and I'm just going to show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is with my pump spray bottle, which works like this. You pump it and there's water, 1 liter of water in here, and it sprays in a straight a mist like this. And you can also spray with a further stream if you need to reach a little bit further, okay? So it works 2 ways, and all I did is mist on my multi-tool, and then you have to make sure, because I have the attachment here so that I can use an angle like this. This is the multi-tool because it has a flexibility of being able to shift as I clean it, because I'm very short, so I need this attachment. And all I did was take my hose and hose down my vehicle. I usually do my windows last, so I'm going to show you how to use this. So I have it on the floor pole. I extended it fairly long because I want to be able to reach the top. So I'm going to show you how this fiber here, the multi-tool fiber, it's super dirty. I'm not sure if you can see it there in the light, but it's super dirty. See that? So that's why on the roof, because at my cottage here, as you can see, I have some trees up there. So the trees put a lot of dirt onto my vehicle. So this is why this tool on this handle is so amazing. Look how long this is. It's so amazing. I love it so much. So all I did was do that, and then see all the dirt on it. So what you can do now is you can actually move this little angle back, and you can go behind and use your squeegee, which is attached to the back here. You can use the squeegee on there to squeegee off. So I'm going to put this away now because I don't need to use it anymore for my vehicle. So I'm going to put this aside, and then I'm going to show you how to use the glove. So here's the car glove. This is all it is. It's just a nice, amazing grip. There's a little handle or elastic on the top here so that it holds your hand inside the glove. So once your vehicle is washed out with water, all you need to do is take this glove. So I'm going to put a little bit more water to rinse off the roof of my truck, because I don't want to keep that dirt up there if there's anything left, because I have a sunroof there. So I'm going to spray this down again. So that's basically all I need to do, with the hose. I don't really need the hose anymore, because from now on, all I'm going to use is this, okay? So you're going to put your hand in your glove. If you have a bucket, you can keep a bucket handy, because if your vehicle is really dirty, you're going to want to rinse this in between. So I'm going to spray my water. This is home water, because here at the cottage we have iron in the water, like calcium and mineral buildup. So I'm going to spray my glove. If I had a bucket, I could dip it in a bucket and wash it this way. So I'm going to show you because the vehicle is pretty wet, so I should be okay with just that. So if I show you now the color of my glove, you can see how there's quite a bit of dirt on there, and that's just from the road and stuff when I'm driving. Sorry, I can't really show you there. There we go. You see that? So this is what's on my vehicle, and now watch what happens when I rinse off. Pump your bottle if you need more water, and I'm going to add a little bit more water. Can you see the line of water that's going down there? I'm not sure if it's close enough or not. I'm going to see if I can come closer. So, see the water on there? It just drips down at the bottom. It's so amazing. See that? So I'm going to do that again. Add a little bit more water to get rid of some of that, more of that dirt. I'm only doing this step here at the cottage. Like I said, at home I would use the hose to hose it down, but at the cottage, because of our water, I don't want to put that yellow orange water back on there because my vehicle is white. So you could do that with your vehicle if you would like, but in my case, this is how I'm doing it just because of the water here. So I'm going to wipe it away one more time. And this is where, once I've done that, this is very clean on the back side, I'm going to take my ENJO fill, and the ENJO fill is what's going to dry behind afterwards. So I'm going to do that. The only thing is, if you wanted, you could, beforehand, you could use your window combi or your multi-tool, and you could do your windows at this point. And then same thing, what you're going to do is you're going to add that squeegee on there. So I'm going to remove the squeegee. I'm going to put my squeegee onto my window combi, so it goes on here, so that I can use that. If you want a smaller, narrower one, because I have on my vehicle there, I have a little lip on the edge, and sometimes that squeegee is too long to reach in, so I'll show you if it works. If your squeegee doesn't fit inside the grooves, what you can do is you can also move this little squeegee attachment, move it down, especially inside when you're doing inside of your, where your dashboard is. So this is really great so that you can reach further. Okay, so that is the window combi and how you do the windows. So then I'm going to take my window ENJO fill and my car ENJO fill. So the gray ENJO fill and the blue ENJO fill. Dry your window. There's actually a really nice, beautiful breeze right now. So what's really amazing is that my vehicle is drying basically on its own without really needing to do much drying. And that's the key with the ENJO fills. You don't need to over dry them. So I fold it like this so that I can continue to use it in different areas as I dry my vehicle. So there we go. That's as easy as it is to clean your vehicle. Use your ENJO fills, your window ENJO fill, your spray bottle, your multi-tool or your window tool if you have them, your car glove, And that's basically it. Oh wait, one more thing. The rails at the bottom of your vehicle there, so at the bottom of my vehicle I have those black base boards there, so I use either my ENJO outdoor duo glove or my ENJO outdoor scrubby, because this one is really great to reach and inside those little grooves. But inside your vehicle, I was just explaining in my other video that I use this wand, and it's amazing to do all of your rims, like your tires here, but it's also great to do inside, where I was saying in the windows there. So I have that little edge here that I can't reach usually, but you can use that if you have that lip there. But it's also amazing for inside the vehicle, so inside of under your seats and stuff like that. It's super handy for that. So this is part of the Father's Day special with this ENJO fill. So if you know someone that loves to clean their vehicle or anything outdoor, if you have a pool or anything like that, this outdoor tool is really amazing. So there we go. That's how you do your car wash, and it is quick, easy. Usually I only use one of these bottles for a full wash on my vehicle, which is about 1 liter, because if you spray down your vehicle first using your hose, then you don't have much to worry about for washing, because it's really the glove that does it. If your vehicle is very dirty, I want you to have a bucket aside or use the hose, rinse off your glove as you move on to the next sections of your vehicle. So 10 minutes max, you can clean your car using ENJO fiber technology and water only, and you'll be so happy with the results and the time that you're saving. Protect your paint, protect the environment, and get back in the house and watch the hockey game, because I know it's on and I'm missing it right now. But I just wanted to show you that an intermission, a hockey intermission on TV right now, is the time that you need to wash your full vehicle. So when it's intermission, in the second intermission, it's still sunny out, get out there, wash your vehicle. I promise you, it only takes 10 minutes to do. Okay, have a great day, everyone.